In today's video, I'm going to teach you about record types in Salesforce and how to find them. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to expand your knowledge, understanding record types is a great way to enhance your ability to tailor Salesforce to meet your organization's unique needs. Record types are a powerful tool that allow you to offer different business processes, pick list values, and page layouts to different users. Let's dive in and explore how you can find and work with these record types in Salesforce. First, let's start by opening Salesforce and making sure you're on the home page. This ensures that you're in the correct environment to begin tweaking settings and accessing the tools we need. From here, navigate over to the Quick Settings menu. This section allows for rapid access to important configurations and is your gateway to more advanced settings without needing to dig too deep. Once you're in Quick Settings, the next step is to click on Open Advanced Setup. This will guide you to the backend interface where more complex and detailed configurations are managed, including the management of record types. Navigating to these advanced options enables you to get into the nuts and bolts of your Salesforce setup, preparing you for the next actions. Next, in this Advanced Setup section, you need to click on the Object Manager. This is a vital part of Salesforce where you can manage all aspects of the objects within the platform. Objects are basically the tables in Salesforce where your data lives, and they form the basis for utilizing record types effectively. Now that you're in the Object Manager, choose a specific object label that you want to work with. This could be any object such as accounts, contacts, or any of the custom objects you might have set up. Choosing an object focuses your setup adjustments on this area, ensuring relevant configurations are affected. In the next step, locate and click on Record Types for the selected object. This is where you'll find all the record types you have set up for that particular object. It's essential to remember that each object can have its own set of record types, tailored to fit different needs or processes. Finally, once you're on the Record Types page, look through the list and choose a record type you're interested in learning more about. As you do this, pay attention to the URL. You'll notice that the record type name is included in the URL, a useful tip for quickly identifying and accessing the specific configurations and settings for that record type. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate Salesforce to find and understand record types, equipping you with the tools to better customize your Salesforce environment to fit your distinct business processes. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and be sure to explore and experiment with record types to see how they can optimize your Salesforce experience.